Drones are becoming the standard tool for any industry. My name is Filip Schmidt and I work with VZU in Pilsen. What we do is that we provide robotic and drone inspections in power generation and in heating plants. We have more than 100 years of experience in power generation. We have about 3 years of experience with providing inspection using drones. We started with Ilios 2, so this was our first platform, and then we moved smoothly to Ilios 3. Our company decided to buy Ilios because we saw it as a chance to offer our clients something more than they have just at the moment. It's a solution for them. They have problems. They need to collect the data, they need to get the information, and usually or very often it's quite difficult to get that information. Ilios 3 is a platform. It's an inspection tool and a platform. So basically you can do visual, ultrasonic and thermal inspection with this tool. Main applications for Ilios in power generation are very wide. There are a lot of things that can be done with it. We've been doing inspection in boilers, in the cooling towers, recently in the machine hall building.